Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Yeah, I've been busy again today. I've just finished canning up some more dog food and it's now cooling down. I do freeze and canned dog food. That's the 16 jars that have just come out of the canner and they're there cooling down. And I've got some plastic tubs which have got like 2 days supply in each one. So when we go a rally, I can take this out of the freezer, it'll slowly defrost and keep everything in my cool box colder for an extra day. And I did a load of the carrots because I bought, well, Lurch bought me about 4 or 5 pound carrots. Didn't need that many, so I cooked them all up, and half of which went into the dog food. The other half I've put in a container together with the juice, and I've got the remaining carrot juice here, and that'll be frozen because when I make the dog food I use bone broth or chicken broth, whichever I've got, but also I need extra liquid in it because it does seem to dry out quite a bit. I suppose it's possibly because of the rice in it, or although the rice is cooked. I'm going berry picking now. And you're probably wondering, where can you go berry picking in March? Well, I'll take you along and show you now. You possibly recognise this space. This is my sewing area, which I haven't been at for a couple of days because I've been doing things around the house, and I'm still not coming back to it for another couple of days because, as I said, I'm berry picking. I'll show you another place. I wonder where it could be. This is my upstairs larder fridge, which is where I'm going to be berry picking. So in here is a lot of berries from last year. I think I'll pull the whole drawer out. This drawer, I think, is mainly berries. I think. Right, so I'm going to go through it now. These are red currants. I need more red currant jelly, so I'll do that. They are black currants. Oh, raw beans. Red currants. Raspberries, more raspberries, blackberries. Yeah. I think what I'm going to do is use the raspberries and make a raspberry wine. I've got some peppers in here as well. But these are some raspberries I bought last year. So we'll get them out and make a raspberry wine out of them. Make sure I get all the raspberries, and there's quite a few. Now they're blackberries, elderberries, blackberries, and there's raw beans. I'll just check, make sure there's no others. That's what I've done. I've gone berry picking. I'm going to do some more red currant jelly, which I have got a video on. I was thinking of updating it because that one's coming up to 2 years old, but it's still a very good one, so I'm not. And these raspberries I'm going to turn into a raspberry wine on the Tipsy Tuesday. But just say hello, I'm still here. Bye.
It's a perfect